Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Zimbra HR account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you open it, all you need to do now is simply type in the URL www.zimbra.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Zimbra. So all you need to do now is simply tap on the support portal option. So once you tap on the support portal option, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your username of your account and the password of your account as well. After typing in both the credentials, hit the login button and you are all set by getting logged in your Zimbra HR account. So following this way, you will get access to your Zimbra account, which will allow you to go in Zimbra HR. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.